Good morning! Say good morning. Good morning, guys. Making noise. Right, guys. Today is another day. Kaya si King, pinaliguan ko na yan si King. Tapos, papakainin ko na siya ng breakfast niya. Yan, guys, oh. Yan si King. Nakaligo na yan siya. You look fresh, King. King, you look fresh. Wow.
Can you help me? I'm clean.
Yeah, you're very clean, my love.
You're clean.
I am.
I'm clean. I'm working.
So what would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast, King? Christian, what would you like to eat? What do you want to eat?
Bread.
Bread and
Huh? Bread.
strawberry,
Yes.
and then yogurt or
Yes.
Yakult.
Good.
Yakult.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna. Ay,
Good.
say hi, Tita first.
Good.
I will. Yeah, say hi, Tita first.
I did it.
I'm hungry now.
How clean.
Okay. All right, Mommy gonna make some food now, okay? Bale, binaba ko pala yung mga toys niya, guys, kasi para laruin niya. Para minsan pag mabaling siya sa sa TV. Maiwasan niya yung puro na lang TV. Fish? What's fish there? There's no fish. What fish? Wala itong pineapple ko. Kailangan itong kainin. I know. Ito kasi yung paborito niya. Naubos na din ito eh. Para siyang Yakult. Yeah, finish now. You finish now. Well done, King. You really like it? Yeah, let me shake. Yep. Shake, shake. Okay, sit down in your chair now. In the table. I'll put this in the table. You sit down, okay? Don't go up here, okay? Mommy's fixing the house now. I'm tired. Binigay ko na yung niya. Yung drinks niya. Next ko na i-prepare. Prepare ko muna itong food niya kasi gusto daw niya ng bread. Ito yung paborito niya ng bread. Yes. How many bread? Just one, right? And then we're gonna put some strawberries. Saka blueberries. Lali na hugasan ko na itong mga strawberries eh. Pero hugasan ko ulit. Ang tamis nito, guys, itong strawberry na to. Ano yun? Pulang-pula siya. No? Sa atin to sa Pinas, ang mahal ng strawberry. Dito, guys, dito mahal din naman siya, pero nakadepende siya sa season. May season na mahal, may season na mura. Ganun. Yeah, I'm cutting the strawberry. Yes. You like it? Very good. breakfast na ininom na niya na yung Yakult niya. Na ito pala yung wipes na nahanap. Nahanap ko na. Sit down, please. Come on, sit down. Yeah. Again. Who's this?
Pizza.
Pizza. What's that pizza?
Mama, what's that? Mama, what's that?
Big tree.
It's a car. A car.
Is it car?
A car.
Okay.
Oh, he's turning around.
It's okay. Don't turn around. Christian, look. Look, Bluey. Who's driving the car? Is that Bluey or Daddy Bluey?
Billy.
Is it Bluey?
Yeah, that's the Billy.
Is it? Good. Go back natin. And eat your food. Come on, sweetie. Because we're going. Come on. Eat your food. Gawa ako ng aking paboritong kape. Yung native na kape. Maya na ako mag-ano. Hindi na ako mag-breakfast, guys. Ito na yung aking... Bali, mag-ano ako, mag-try ako ng loss ng weight. Bali, magkakape lang ako. Tapos, hindi na ako mag-breakfast. Ito yung pinalagyan ng steak o ginamit ko pa din, no? Talagang Pilipino yung ugali. Hindi mawawala yan, guys, kasi Pilipino tayo, di ba? So, ito yung ginagawa namin dito. So, ilalagay mo siya dyan yung kape. Kasi, naalala ko dati sa Pilipinas, hindi ganito yung gamit namin. Pag sinasala siya. Minsan sinasala sa tela. Tela lang siya. Iba talaga dati, no? Ngayon parang easy life na. Yung lahat na mabilisan. Yung bali, ano ko to siya. Mag-wait ako ng mga 5 minutes or 6. Yan, guys. Hi, life. Another day, guys. And sa lahat, alam natin lahat na meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Yung mga struggle. Pero yun nga, guys. Don't lose hope, always fighting, kasi dito tayo sa mundo, nabubuhay pa rin tayo, be thankful tayo, be grateful na ngayon nagising naman tayo ulit sa panibagong buhay. Yan, then sana may mga ano, magpapasalang pala tayo sa mga blessings na natanggap, ganun. Kasi huwag tayo masyadong mag-complain sa life. Kasi alam naman, guys, hindi naman ako yung talagang perfecto din, pero minsan na-appreciate ko yung bagay na na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga bagay na dumadating, yun. Kasi yun eh, yun ang, kaya yun eh, maging grateful tayo sa buhay. Kasi pag kung tayo complain, wala mangyayari. Lahat, buong araw natin for complain. So, it's better to start our day positive ways. Ano lang. Brian the robot?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, wait, what?
Robot.
Yeah. No, wait.
What's his name? Brian.
Yeah, do you want to know me? Mama. Toy.
Your toy. Show them your... Would you mind to show them your spaceship? Yeah, show to them. Come on. Spaceship. King got a spaceship, guys. Have a look quick. Where's your spaceship?
There.
Yeah, show to them. Show to aunties and nanays. Come on. Where's your spaceship? The one that you bought yesterday. Spaceship. Where's the spaceship?
What is it?
Okay, grab and show to titas and nanays. Come on. That's not that. That's a robot.
It's a robot.
Yeah.
It's a car.
It's a car. It's a moving robot. Try that to push. Oh, wow. Well done. Amazing, King.
It's a tire.
You got tire. You got wheels.
Wheel. What's a wheel?
You got wheels. Lovely.
Try again.
Try again.
Yeah. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh dear.
Oh, dear.
Good. Oh, what?
You like that? You never played that for so long, did you?
Oh? Who's the basket? Mama, that.
Nag-ayos muna ako, guys, kasi lalabas kami ni King noon sa indoor. Medyo parang ano ngayon, maulan. So far hindi pa naman naulan, pero parang ano siya. Parang may balak na ulan. Ayan. Pantay ba to? Hindi naman siguro yan. Magayos tayo, guys. Kasi baka sabihin, hindi na tayo marunong mag-ayos na naging nanay na tayo. Kailangan, kapag kahit nanay na tayo, nag-ayos pa rin tayo ng ating mga face. Face talaga. Parang okay naman eh. Yan lang, simple lang. Okay naman, di ba? Pantay naman. Pantay ba, guys? Okay, I think fine. Siguro, ano ko na lang yung buhok ko. I-down. Isuklay ko dito. Isuklayin ko. Brush natin. Alam nyo guys, dito sa UK, parang naging dry yung buhok ko. Parang hindi siya silky. Doon sa Pinas, kasi yung cream silk ba, no? Ouch, ito eh. Okay, brush. Okay. Okay guys, alis na tayo. We're going, okay. Christian, yeah. Hi! Wala, grabe energy niya. Hindi ko paano kumusundan ito. Pati ako nakipaglaro. Hi! Ito guys, yung slide. No pushing! No pushing! No pushing! No pushing, Christian! No pushing! Come on na, slide! Ayun na siya. Right, where are you? Hi, Christian. Christian.